Hi guys, now we'll see Leetcode SQL question. Percentage of users attended a contest. So we are given two tables, users and register. In users table, we have two columns, user ID and username. Here, user ID is the primary key, and each row tells us what is the name of the user and its user ID. In register table, also we have two columns, contest ID and user ID. Here, combination of contest ID and user ID is the primary key, and each row tells us that which all users have registered for a particular contest. Now we have to write a SQL query that will give us percentage of users have registered for a particular contest, and this answer should be up to two decimal places, and we should return the result table ordered by percentage in descending order, and if there is some tie then we should order it by contest ID in ascending order. Like we'll see examples so that we can understand that question in a better way. Like this is users table, we have user ID and username, and this is register table, we have the contest ID and the user ID, which all have like registered for this contest. And in the output we want the contest id and percentage of users that have registered for this contest. Now we'll see approach. So since we want percentage of users have registered for a particular contest, to find, so we will need in numerator for any particular contest count of users registered divided by total number of users present in the users table into 100, and this is simple approach. So how we can do that, that we'll see by seeing the actual query. So since in the output table we need contest id and percentage, so we'll select contest id and percentage from register table. Then we'll do group by contest id. After that, to find percentage in numerator, we need the count of user id that has registered for a particular contest id. We have already done group by contest ID. So this count of user ID will give the count of all the users who have registered for a particular contest. Then for denominator, we'll write a subquery to find the count of users present in the users table. This select count star will give all the rows that are present in users table. And since user ID is the primary key, so every row will have unique user id and count of rows will be equal to the total number of users present. Then we'll do into 100, this will give percentage of users who have registered for a particular contest, and we want our result up to be round off up to two decimal places, that's why we have added round up to 2. Then after that our final result should be ordered by percentage in descending order, so we have done order by percentage in descending order, and if like there is a tie then we have to order by contest id in ascending order, so we have done order by contest id in ascending order.